What's up, everybody? Welcome to Geekbuying's yet another Kugoo E-Scooter unboxing!
A box. That's the charger. Okay, toolbox. The manual. That's the scooter! Haha! Holy smoke! The tire is enormous. There is a latch here, just. Alright. Okay, then. Alright, and as you can see, there is a little switch here. You just pull up and you fold it down like that, and you fold it down, and then, hey, and you're good to go. Now let's just assemble the handlebar. Before we put the handlebar inside the stem, we have to, you see, then connect with the cable from the handlebar, okay? And we're good to go. And then we use the screws, tools to tighten it. Now let's just power on, press and hold the power key. That's it. And this little LCD screen shows you the battery and the speed and also the mode. So you press twice on the power key to switch between different modes. 1, 2, 3.